Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my all viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please yours also pray for me. I hope you're waiting for latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches ideas, shoulder bag, purses. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Mind-blowing and beautiful ideas, beautiful pattern. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Some are crochet steppy style, leather steppy style, wooden handle, metal handle, zipper style, pocket style. Beautiful ideas, beautiful pattern. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Very nice, hopefully like this. Very nice, beautiful ideas, beautiful pattern. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.